Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change view only mode into edit in Google Sheets. So in here, I have already opened a view only mode Google Sheets on my computer, and in view only, if you have access to the file with view only mode, you cannot do anything or you cannot edit anything on the file. So here, when I try to delete or add something, I cannot do that because I can only view the file. So to change it into edit, you can just the simple way, you can just you can just request access to the owner of the file. You can click on this view only, and there will be this option request edit access. So you can send a message to the owner and then tap on send and just wait for their feedback. But you can also do this trick if you want to make it faster. You want to edit the file, you can just click on a file scene here and then just make a copy of the spreadsheet. So just click on make a copy, and then here you can see the name and tap on make a copy. And after that, the copy version will be open, and it will open in editor mode. So you can see I can delete or edit the file just like that. So I hope the simple trick will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.